How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer or download your photos and videos from iCloud to your computer. And I'm saying computer because this video is 100% universal, so it works the exact same way if you have a Mac or a PC. The same step-by-step instructions and even screens. And it gets even better than that because this is the updated and official Apple method. This is how Apple recommends you to do it, so you don't have to download anything, and of course it's 100% free. So let's get started. Okay, so grab your computer and that's all you need, okay? And open up your favorite browser. I'm using here Safari, but you can use Google Chrome, Firefox, and as I said, you can do this on a PC as well. It's the exact same thing. And go to this website, which is iCloud.com. Just iCloud.com. No matter where you are in the world, just iCloud.com. Okay, I can't stress this enough because there are a ton of fake websites and so on. So always iCloud.com, and then it'll automatically adjust to your language and region and everything like that. This is the official Apple website, and then you're gonna go ahead and sign in, as you can see right here. And then, as you can imagine, we're gonna get our photos and videos using our Apple ID. So using our iCloud information. So just go ahead and type in your Apple ID and your password, as you can see right here. If you have a Mac, probably you're gonna have Touch ID, so then it's super easy. You go ahead and sign in. But of course, it's the exact same thing if you need to type in manually. Apple ID, email, and Apple ID password. Just make sure you're using the correct Apple ID, the one that you actually have your photos and videos, okay? As soon as that loads, you're gonna see here all your stuff. So your email, your notes, reminders, calendars, your documents, and everything like that. It's your full iCloud dashboard. But of course, what we want is actually your photos and videos, right? So click here at the top right hand corner on this button which says quick access, and then click on photos, as you can see, and then it's automatically gonna load all your photos and videos, as you can see like that. It doesn't take too long. Sorry, because my internet connection is really bad today. And as you can see here, I've got everything. So all of my photos, all of my videos, and let me show you because I wanna show you that's actually everything. So grabbing my iPhone here, if we go to photos, as you can see, we've got here 35,402 items. If you want to see in detail, tap here at the top right hand corner, and then 30,268, 5,134. That's the exact same thing. So as you can see, all of my photos and videos are here, and I'm ready to download them. But before I do that, I have to tell you one exception, because maybe you've done everything as I told you. You've opened up iCloud.com, iCloud photos, and so on, but they don't match. So maybe you have slightly less photos and videos here in iCloud than compared to your iPhone. And that means that your library, both your library, so the internal library of your iPhone, the internal storage, and your iCloud library, they're not syncing. And this may be for a ton of reasons, but if that's your case, if it's not the same number, if they don't match, as I said, it means that some of your photos are on your iPhone and some of your photos are in iCloud. If that's the case, I'm gonna redirect you to another video of mine. You can see a card here, link in the description, where I teach you how you can download photos and videos to your computer, but this time directly from your phone, directly from the internal storage, okay? And it's slightly different, and it varies a little bit if you're using a Mac or a PC. So I'm gonna have two different links right here, so you go ahead and click on the exact same machine that you have. If you're like me and you have the exact same number of items, photos and videos, it's all synced up, as you can see, then let me show you how you can finally download them. As you can see, I've got those two items that are like blank, and that's because those items are still syncing. Those were taken like a few hours ago, all right? So all you have to do is actually click on the files that you want. So for example, I'm gonna click on this one, and if you wanna actually select a bunch of files, you can just press the Shift key right here on the keyboard, and it's the same if it's Mac or PC, and then keep scrolling up, up, up until it gets to the point where you're done. For example, you want all of those, right? all of that section. As you can see here, you can release shift key and then you have 35 selected, good to go. But if you don't want to select like this, like in a row, if you want to select portions of photos and videos, you can use another key on your keyboard, which is the command key on the Mac or the control key on the PC. So then, for example, if I want to import or download this photo and this one, but not these, then I'm going to click command because I'm using the Mac, and then I'm going to click here. So as you can see, I just selected those two, just two, as you can see, not the whole thing. All right. So let me give you an example. Let's say I want to download this one and this portion, those three, and then using command or control this other one, so those 4 items, as you can see. And then I'm gonna go ahead and click right here with the cloud with the arrow pointing down, click here, that's the download button, and then let it do its thing. It's your typical download. It's gonna download maybe here, maybe here, maybe here, depending on your browser, so let it do its thing. Okay, so after the download has finished, we're gonna go ahead here and see where it is. It's right here in my downloads folder. Let me close iCloud Photos, I don't need that anymore. Let me just move it here to the desktop just to make things easier, but you don't need to do that. Okay, so as I open it up, those are my files, the files that I have selected. So the files right here, some screenshots, some photos, and of course even a video. And as you can see, it's perfect, full quality. Take a look at this, it's perfect. So it's gonna download in full raw quality. Okay, so that's it. That's literally how you download, you transfer, you name it, your photos and videos from iCloud to your computer. Universal, official, and free process. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.